Hi, my name is Krista Telford. I have the pleasure of being the principal at Adam Scott Intermediate School in Peterborough, Ontario. I had the pleasure today of having Kwesi Millington speak to my students in grade 7 and 8, our entire high school of Adam Scott CVI, which is our grade 9s to 12 students, our staff after work, and as well as our parent community. We had a parent engagement event. Each presentation was geared towards that specific audience, and the wonderful thing is that there was takeaways from all of the different audiences. Kwesi speaks in such a wonderful way that he engages all of his learners with the stories that he shares. He makes them relatable to all of the viewers and the people that he's with. He is engaging. He has his comedy flair. And there was so many takeaways from my students in grade 7 and 8. One of the most meaningful pieces is when I was speaking to a student afterwards, and they said, "I really needed to hear that today. I'm so glad I came to school."
Oh, we can do better than that, right? 1, 2, 3. Always remember that. Thank you again for your time.